This is a 55-gallon drum caddy that we provide for a customer. They move around a lot of drums and they're in an area where they do not want static built up on their wheels. These typically come with plastic wheels or a poly wheel. So we switch these out with steel wheels. This is a 6-inch by 2-inch steel wheel with roller bearings. And this is a 3-inch by 1.25-inch steel wheel with roller bearings. This will ground this drum caddy so there's no static buildup in their facility. And the roller bearings also allow these to roll very easily when they're pushing them through the plant. Heavy-dutycaster.com. We can get the replacement wheels or fix it up from the start.